Look, everyone! It's the site of the new Broomstown Library! Let's get building! It's Amber and Helly! Welcome to the plaza! Hello there!
Hello, everyone! Time for our safety check!
Love to spin the mix around, the happiest mixer in the town!
These cones mean danger! Do not cross them! Safety rules protect everyone, Bruner!
Goodbye! Bye! Now we can work fast!
See? It is not that wet!
Follow me, Micky! It is a shortcut!
Okay, Bruner! Hey, Joe, I love shortcuts!
I cannot reach you! It is getting hard! I am stuck! Emergency at the construction site. Rescue team, move out.
Who moved the cones?
I did. I am sorry. He is stuck deep in the middle. The viscosity is increasing. The concrete is turning into solid rock.
I have no grip! I am slipping!
Roy needs traction. The mud is too slippery. Use those steel plates for traction pads. stabilizer's locked. Now he has a solid base to pull from. I am free.
Hooray! We did it!
Yay! Great job, team! You are going to need a big car wash, Micky!
I should not have moved the cones.
We are just glad you learned your lesson, Bruner. Look out! It is. Too heavy.
Move back!
Move back!
Roy cannot hold it forever.
I will push it back!
No, Bruner! Stop! It will break! My scan shows the wall is weak right here. We need to add the support beams to make it strong. We need to build a buttress to support the wall. Keep going, Bruner. A little more. Slow down now. And stop. Perfect. A little to the left. Perfect. Titan, you must fix your backup beeper. It is a safety sound. Tickles. Remember, kids, never move safety cones. And we used engineering to support the wall. We are the Robocar Poli, always ready to help you.
Poli, Roy, Amber, Helly, we are the rescue team.
Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Be sure to subscribe. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye! Bye!